DPS TeleClass.
Alaikum. Welcome to DPS TeleClass. How are you, students? I hope you all are doing well. So, before going to start today's lesson, let's recite the dua to seek for knowledge.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Friends, do you remember the last lesson you studied in mathematics teleclass? Well done. Expanded notation. So, let's recall how much do you remember the last lesson? Students, I will show you some numbers and you have to arrange the numbers in expanded formation. Can you arrange the numbers on the slide? Yes, very good. 7 in thousand place, 8 in hundreds place, 4 in tens place, 4 in ones place. Now let's look how to write the number in expanded form. 7 represents 7,000. 8 represents 800. 4 represents 40. And 4 in ones place represents 4. Next example. 3295. I will give you a few minutes and you have to arrange this number in expanded notations. Did you know the correct answer? Great. 3 is represent 3000. 2 is represent 200. 9 is represent 90. And 5 is represent 5. So students, now I am going to recall how to arrange 4-digit numbers in different ways. So let us begin with 2293. This number we can use the blocks to show the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousands in the number as 2 blocks of 2000, 2 blocks of 200s, 9 blocks of tens, 3 blocks of ones. It can also be written in the place value chart. Like this. 3 in the thousand place, 4 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place, and 9 in ones place. Next, you need to write the number in standard form as 4290. We can also write it in words. 1243. It can also be shown with the help of the colored counters. 7 red counters to show 7 ones, 4 yellow counters to show 4 tens, 8 green counters to show 8 hundreds, and 5 blue counters to show 5 thousands. Can you guess today's topic by looking at the picture on slide? Yes, excellent. Today we are going to learn how to arrange 4-digit numbers using Abacus. Let's read today's learning intention and success criteria. Learning intention. By the end of the lesson, students will recognize the value of numbers up to 4 digits using pictorial and symbolic materials. Success criteria. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to present numbers up to 4 digits correctly using the Abacus pictorial given on page 9, 10, and 11. What is an abacus? Okay, students, can you guess what an abacus is? An abacus is a manual end to calculating that consists of beads or discs that can be moved up and down on a series of sticks or things with a usually wooden frame. The abacus itself doesn't calculate, it's simply a device for helping a human being to calculate by remembering what has been counted. How does abacus work? It has rows or columns of beads that represents the digits of your number. It has a ones place, a tens place, a hundreds place, a thousands place, and so on. Benefits of using abacus: improves observation and listening skills, memory strengthening, boosts creativity, increases self-confidence, strong academic foundation, improves gross motor skills. Before going to the examples of today's lesson, let's recall today's learning intention and success criteria. Learning intention: by the end of the lesson, students will recognize the value of numbers up to 4 digits using pictorial and symbolic materials. Success criteria: by the end of the lesson, students will be able to present numbers up to 4 digits correctly using the abacus pictorial given on page 9, 10, and 11. Find the correct answer and draw lines on abacus. Example 1. 1304 tenths and 2 units. As you can see, there are 4 options given. You have to choose the correct answer. Can you guess it now? Good. 1342 is the correct answer. To represent this number in the abacus, first you have to start drawing the line from the ones place value and its bottom. So here you should draw 2 lines in ones place, 4 lines in tens place, 3 lines in hundreds place, and 1 line in thousands place. Second example, 5104 tens. Here is some answers. Can you choose the correct answer? Excellent. 5107 is the correct answer. So now it's time to represent the number in the abacus. So you can draw 7 lines in ones place, 1 line in hundreds place, 5 lines in thousands place. So students, here you have to show the number in abacus by drawing lines on it. So take a pen and paper and try this number. 6210. Good. First you have to the ones place without a line and tens place with one line and hundreds place with two lines and thousands place with 6 lines. Next example, 2435. It represents 5 lines in ones place, 3 lines in tens place, 4 lines in hundreds place, 2 lines in thousands place. Last example, 4013. Let's draw lines in abacus. In ones place there are 3 lines. Tens place 1 line and thousands place there are 4 lines. Now here is your work. You have to do page number 9, question number 4, B and C, page 10 and page 11 on your textbook. This is the end of today's lesson. Thank you all for your cooperation. Stay safe, stay home.
DPS TeleClass